Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this hotel, 4 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.8. The time in this hotel is 11 a.m. Checkout time of this hotel is 11 a.m. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please read description box. If you have any problem